Welcome to Best RV channel. This is Nala Mari from Best RV Trolla, California. Today we presenting you the brand new East to West Entrada 27NKF. It's a perfect floor plan because if somebody want to sleep in a single bed by himself and there's separation, this one, or you could turn those two single bed on each side to a king size bed. As we presenting you the Entrada 2710, it has a nice gel coated painted cap as you see in the front, sitting on a Ford chassis E450. You see this floor plan is a 27 foot, not too big, not too small. Come with a huge power awning. It cover the power awning. It covered 90% of the motorhome. It's covered. Look how big it is. It's a perfect floor plan with the pass-through storage. So we see here we have a full pass-through storage in both sides. They use Asdel fiberglass as usual. It come with a ladder in the rear. There's a ladder come with it. We have it come with the cameras in the back, and again Entrada 3 cameras, one in the back, one driver's side, one in passenger side. Class 3 hitch, 6,500 pound towing capacity, and as you see here, we have a huge washable pass-through storage from both sides. And then here's we have a nice LED light where you could see at night all your hookup. We have the black tank flush, city water connection, outside sprayer so you could wash your hand if something happened, cable, satellite, power hookup. Again, it has the 50-gallon unleaded fuel. And then we have here endless hot water heater. As we know, 60,000 PTU endless hot water heater. It come again with a nice big propane tank built in. As well, it has the Yamaha generators, 4,000 watts, where you can run everything in the unit with no problem. And then you have another storage here, and you see here there's a camera. So this is the driver's side camera as well, and the other side camera. The beauty about this one is on an E4 350 chassis. So it's the big one. As you see, as soon as I walk in from the entry door, I'm facing a nice dinette. The beauty about this dinette is there's no foot, no legs. As you see, is attached to the wall, and it's easy to go up and down. So I could see here's at least 4 people. Beautiful dinette. Across from the dinette, I have a big panorama window, as you see there, with a 12-volt USB ports. And then I have a jackknife sofa, as you see here. So I could see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and driver and passenger. The beauty about it is whole family, they could sit behind the driver and passenger with no problem. This coach has a lot of beds, so if you have a lot of kids or grandkids, it's perfect because this turned to a bed. As you see, it's a jackknife. So this is a bed. The dinette turned to a bed, and then I have 60 by 80 cap over bunk on the front, and then I have two single bed in the back, which is converted to a king size bed. And then again, as you see, there's a storage underneath the sofa. Now the dinette, they give me 24-inch deep doors, and they're nice finish. And also you could access the storage also from the top. You can access it from the side. And then again, this is turned to the bed. There's USB plugs, and then there's also a stereo with the speakers inside and speakers outside. The beauty about it, everybody here could watch this TV because they give you 40-inch smart TV on a swing arm. So when I swing this TV, everybody sitting here, they could watch the TV with no problem. And after that, we going to the kitchen. The Entrada, as usual, they give us the one-piece sink, big. You can see with the sink cover, like this one, you could put some cups on it. Rinse faucet. There's a prepping area to the left of the sink, and as well, I have more counter space. So as you see, I could put stuff here, put stuff right, left, coffee maker, toasters. A lot of storage cabinet. They're deep. Look how deep it is. Plus, I have also, I forgot to mention, a lot of storage over the dinette. They're deep. right? More. They don't waste any space. They give you a lot of storage. And then across from that whole passenger side over the entry door and the jackknife, it's all storage. So you could see storage is in both sides on this unit, over the dinette, over the sofa, as well over the kitchen counter space. So plenty storage. So if somebody tell me where to put my silverware, where I put my stuff, you have both sides. And then this counter, if you don't need it, you just bring it down. There's a place here is more for silver cooking pans, more silver doors, and then also there's another cooking pan doors, you name it. Typical, they give me a 3-burner range, the big one with the backsplash. And then this is a convection microwave, one piece. And across from it, we have two side, as usual, the 12-volt refrigerator, residential, reefer, dual swing. I can do it this way or that way. Plus, it has a freezer underneath. So this is from the kitchen. From the kitchen, we're passing to the bathroom. I have a place for towel rack, towel. All these self-closing, as you see, more doors, more doors. The nice thing about it, I like about the sink is outside, so somebody could take a showers like this one. I could close this here, so somebody could be in the shower, taking a shower or using the toilet, and somebody could use outside brushing teeth or using the sink. It has a nice solid medicine cabinet, big sink, place for more. I mean, there's tons of storage. And across from it, we have a nice magnet pocket door where I have a porcelain toilet. You could see my knees have a room for it, and no issue standing shower with a skylight and a fan. And you could see no water go outside in the shower. And then from here, I come to the master bedroom. Now the master bedrooms, like for example, you guys say, Niall, I'm guy person, I snore when I go to sleep. So sometimes at night my wife, she's like, keep pushing you, Niall, wake up, you're snoring too much. Well, you don't have to worry about that, because somebody could lay down here. As you see, I have my own bed and my wife's bed. And also, if you, the nice thing about it, if somebody want to lay down while somebody, like if I'm driving, my wife, she could lay down here, or somebody could lay down here while somebody driving. So I could sleep two people while you're driving, or lay down. Also, you could see there's a storage underneath those two benches. Big U shape. I mean, I don't know what you're gonna put on this stuff. I mean, look how big it is. 1, 2, 3. The whole back is storage again and again. And then this side, I mean, in this corner, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 compartment doors. Look how huge the doors. And each one, when he lay down here, you could put your phone here. There's USB plug, 110, and very roomy. Voila, I'm laying down, so no problem. And if I need to make it as one bed, all I have to do, voila, flip this. There's nothing to it. Put it in. Okay. Voila. I could sleep this way. I could sleep this way if you want me to sleep that way. I could sleep 2 people, 3 people, whatever you want. Huge. Whole back is a bed. If you need big bed, this is the one. Just drop it down, and huge bed. And also, you don't have to flip it up. You could leave it down if you just want to keep it bed all the time. Or you could say, oh, now you sleep in that corner and somebody sleeping on the other side. No problem. Voila. And also, you could use it as a table. Like you could put books, cup of water, bottled water, drinks, you name it. Also, it has the ability to add a second TV. So there's a TV. So I could put easy here 32-inch TV for the bedroom. So you could see there's so much to do on the 2710 Entrada. Um, Perfect. And then additional to that sleeping, if you want to sleep more people, you have 60 by 80 cap over bed. Voila, look how big it is. Sleep another two people. Plugs, bottle cup holders, shelves. They have their own TV facing it. And this TV, by the way, run off 12 volts, so I don't have to run my generator to watch a TV. No need. Two AC. This one has two AC. One over here, one over there. Solar panel controllers, generators, awnings, you name it. It's all over here. And then here's what we have is typical E350 chassis. Airbag, power windows, lock, and then we have a smart Sony stereo system. I could do connecting my phone, Apple, Android, three cameras. So if you notice, if I put reverse, voila, the camera's back there. And then go right and left. So this is a beautiful, brand new 2025 in east to west Entrada 2710. It's a perfect floor plan for a big family, or perfect floor plan for just his and her, and they want separate bed, or perfect if you want to take army with you, because I could sleep two to three in the back, one to two here, one to two here, two in the front. Some people, they say I hate a slide out. I don't like slide out because the mechanism. I just want, you could see how so roomy and a lot of storage and a lot of living space, and no slide out. I don't have a slide out in this motorhome. Come to Best RV and grab the 2710, because this is a floor plan unique. Everybody make this unit with a walk around queen bed in the back, but this one has two single, which is turned to a big king. Come to Best RV and we assure you no one have the price we have, and we sell for less. Click on the link underneath this video and you will see the pictures, specification, and our special price. And again, what's our model? No hidden fees, no junk fees, no get rid package fees. We do all this work for free.